Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to use AI software to create YouTube automation channels or faceless YouTube video channels. So welcome to my channel, New Internet Wealth. Please subscribe if it's your first time being here, and let's go ahead and jump right in about what we're going to talk about in this video. So what are we going to cover? We're going to talk about, again, using artificial intelligence software to create essentially automated videos where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to talk, you don't have to do anything. But these videos you can then upload to YouTube, and once your channel is monetized, you can make money through AdSense, but even better, you can make money through affiliate commissions, okay? So what we're going to talk about, first you want to choose a niche. And for this, this video, we're going to use an example of yoga. That's going to be our niche, yoga. Next, you want to find an affiliate product. We're going to go over to ClickBank, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Then we're going to get a script created for our video, and I'm going to show you an AI software I use to do this very quickly and very easily. And then we need to turn that script into a video. And there's another AI software that I use, which you'll see, that will take that script and turn it into a really high quality video that people want to watch. So make sure you watch all the way, because I'm going to take you through this step by step. You'll see everything as we're doing it, okay? So first we chose our niche. We're going to do yoga for this example. Now we're going to go see about finding an affiliate product that we want to promote, because you always want to be thinking about what you want to promote. You don't want to make a video just to make a video. You want to make a video because ultimately you're going to be encouraging people to check out something that they should purchase. Maybe it's a yoga mat on Amazon. In this case, there's a couple good yoga products on ClickBank. So let's go over to my ClickBank account. Here we are in the marketplace. Let me type in and search for yoga. And what we'll see, gravity, we have gravity sorted high to low. I'm not sure why I put Shapeshifter Yoga up first, because this gravity score is not so great. But this is a good product that converts well, so you could use it. This is the product I had in mind, Yoga Burn. It's got a gravity score of 21.5, so it sells very well. This score has been higher in the past, it's been lower in the past, but this has been something that's sold a long time. As it says, 1.3 million happy customers. And so an average conversion of $184 per sale. Pretty nice, okay? And so you just click promote, put in your nickname, tracking ID if you want, create your hop link, and copy that hop link. We'll put that over here on a notepad. But this is where, again, you'd want to be sending people in the description box when you upload the video to YouTube. So now we got our product. Step 3, we need to create a script. I'm going to use show you the AI software I use. It is called Article Forge. We'll talk about pricing here in a second. They do have a free trial, which I'd encourage you to give a go. And if you want, I'll put the description box down in the link. A link down in the description box, I should say. It is my affiliate link, so obviously I can make a commission if you decide to purchase, although it does not cost you anything extra to do that. So I've been using Article Forge for about a year to create really unique, high-quality content for my videos, some of my channels, as well as some of my blogs. It's very reasonable. It's very good content. It works, okay? So I would definitely encourage you to check it out. Now, let's go ahead and jump into my account. Let's go to New Article. And basically, this is how simple it is to set up creating a new article. Let's see. Let's do an article, benefits of yoga as you get older. Okay. And that'll be our keyword we're going after. You can choose your language, and you can choose the article length. Okay, so it could be very short. Short, about 250 words, medium 500 words, long 750, or very long. So about 750 words is almost, it's about 100 words a minute. So 750 words is going to be about a 7.5 minute video. Let's just make a short one for this example. You can put in some keywords, sub-keywords if you want. I'm not necessarily going to do that. You can go ahead and just let Article Forge create that for you. and then if there's any topics you don't want in here, and this would be more like if you're doing maybe a review video about something, about a certain specific product, and you don't want the competitor being mentioned in that article, then you could maybe be doing reviews about Nike sneakers, and you don't want information about Adidas or Reebok or Puma sneakers in here, so you could use that, okay? Now this is more for blogging. I usually add an image, add a video. Obviously we're not doing that. We just need an article for our script. So let's go ahead and create a new article. And so that's how quickly you can get the process started. Now this will take a few minutes. Article Forge is going out. It's doing the research. It's compiling the article. And this will be done in a few minutes. Here you can see the progress bar moving across pretty quickly. All the previous articles, so let me just talk about Article Forge real quick while we're waiting for this to finish. All your previous articles are in this section, so it saves everything that you've made. If you're going to use Article Forge for blogging, you can connect your WordPress website to it, because then you can actually schedule articles to be created and automatically posted to your WordPress blog, which is a really, really nice feature, because then it just runs on autopilot and you have essentially an auto blog, okay? Your usage information, API, keys, they do have a really nice affiliate program and their tutorial help center as well. So as this is continuing to move along, let me just talk real quick about the AI software. Again, we need to, once we get the script, we're going to turn it into a video, and we're going to use AI software for that as well, and that program is called Pictory. So Pictory I've had for well over a year. It's a great program. It is fantastic. Can't speak highly enough about it. You can use it in so many different ways. I'm not going to go into all of those in this video, because I'm just going to stick to turning this script into a video, but there is a lot of different ways that you can use Pictory. They have a free trial as well. So again, I'll leave a link for that in the description box down below if you want to give it a free try. But it is really, really powerful software that is super easy to use and makes some really nice videos, okay? So it is still creating this article. So while it's doing that, I guess let's just talk real quick. So pricing for Article Forge, again, you get a 5-day free trial, okay? I would take advantage of that, you know, set up a free account, and then go and just, man, knock out some articles, you know, give it a, you know, give it a good spin around the block, you know, download your articles. You can go down here and, you know, they have monthly pricing, yearly pricing, depending on how many words per month, okay? And so if you do yearly pricing, you can get it down as for 25,000 words a month. You can pay month to month $27, or you can save 50% and get an annual plan and pay. But for $13 a month, you're getting 25,000 words a month. And so if you're using this to create, again, videos that are 500 word scripts, I mean, you could literally make, what is that, 60 videos a month, or about 25,000 word blog posts. You can, Article Forge, it'll make 1,500 word articles, which, you know, for your blog, which is great. It'll pass Copyscape. I'll show you that when this is done. Like I said, you can connect it to automatically post to your blog if you're using it for blogging. And yeah, I mean, the price is definitely worth it. It is very, very reasonable. Okay, so here our article is done. Click here to see the results. So let's see what it came up with, okay? So here we go. The benefits of yoga as you get older. Yoga can be a great way to improve your overall health of an older adult. With a steady and consistent practice, seniors can enjoy a wide variety of benefits, from increased flexibility and strength to improved balance. These changes can also reduce the risk of falls. Additionally, a regular yoga practice may help keep chronic conditions at bay. So you can see it reads really well, nicely laid out. I'm not going to read through it all, obviously. You know, if you want the HTML to import into your blog, you can output it. I'm going to go ahead and save this. That'll be saved under my articles, but you can output it as a text file, HTML file, PDF file, or if your WordPress blog is connected, okay? What I'm going to do is, let's copy this though. Let me go and paste that into Copyscape. You can see I'm starting at $8.19. Let's do a search on this article. And you can see it went down from $8.19 to $8.13. I spent 6 cents running it through Copyscape, and you can see no results were found for this 501 word article. So, you know, we said we wanted a 500 word article, and it gave us 501. So pretty darn good. And it's unique. There's nothing else out there on the internet that is this article. Okay, not even a portion of it was found out on the internet. So because you do want it to be unique. It has to be unique if you're uploading this to YouTube. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go into my Pictory account. Let me just jump back to, okay, here we are. This is where we need to be. So when you log in, this is your home screen in Pictory. And it can make videos and it can do all these different things, these different 4 things that are shown here. We are working only on this script to video. That's what we're doing. So let's proceed with that. You can give it a title. Again, this was, I think, benefits of yoga as you get older. And then you just paste in our text here, our article. Okay. And then there's some scene settings. Oops, let me get myself out of the way. Sorry. Scene settings, auto highlight keywords. You can turn that on or off. Okay. Add auto visual selection, meaning it's going to find the video clips to use. So if you want to totally customize it, turn it off. But this is the AI part. And then you want to create new scenes on if there's a sentence break and a line break. I usually just put both. Okay. And let's go ahead and click proceed. Next, it's going to ask us to choose a template library, or you can make your own template. And basically, if you hover over it, you'll see how the words, are introduced. Okay, some of them will open like that. This one, I think, slides in from the left. So you just pick which one you like. I typically go with this Metro caption, just because it keeps it right along the bottom with kind of a bar across the bottom. So I'm going to select that. This is a YouTube video, so we want 16:9 ratio, but you can do vertical videos and square videos as well. Let's hit continue. And now what Pictory is going to do is it is going out and it is creating, finding the scenes to create this video. Okay, and so while it's doing that, I'm going to put the video on pause for just a second. It'll do it pretty quickly. You can see it's 7% completed, but I'm going to put the video on pause for just a second. Okay, sorry. Shortly after I paused it, it finished. So it actually is pretty quick. It usually only takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes, sometimes up to 5 minutes. It did it much quicker than I thought it was going to. And so even though I put it on pause, I probably didn't need to. And so you can see this was a 501 word article. And so it says the video is going to be about 4 minutes long, just over 4 minutes. So, it is roughly 80 to 100 words per minute typically. So let's talk about what you can do inside the Pictory editor here, okay? So down the left side, you have kind of the main menu. Right now we're in the story section. These are our scenes, and so you can see the words for each scene over here, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Again, you see those same scenes across the bottom, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. And so you can change scenes. Let's go to scene 4. And now it'll show scene 4, or you could have clicked on the video down here and it would have pulled up scene 4 as well. Okay, so now you can do some editing. So let's say we don't really care for this. It's talking about risk mitigation, but we're really talking about risk of fall. So we can go to the visuals section and let's click on fall and see. So it's bringing up fall of the season, and so we may need to type in person falling. Okay, there it is. It knows that's what we want. And so this is where you could find a video that might be similar to what you're wanting here. Just looking real quick. Oh, there's obviously like an older person falling, because that's kind of what we're talking about here. So again, you can go through. I'm going to just pick one. Let's pick this one. It'll automatically substitute that video. Okay. So these changes can also reduce the risk of falling. Well, there he is. He's falling. He looks a little older. And then you can move on to the next scene also like this. Now, you can change, once you click on the text inside the video, you can change the font. I like to use, you can use really, there's a lot of great fonts in here. This Quicksand, I think looks good. I also use Roboto quite a bit. Easy to read, kind of modern. But then you would and then change the font. If that's a good font, if you want to make it a little smaller, you can. You can make everything bold. You can change, again, the text styling. If you want every single letter capitalized, every single letter small, a mix, etc. You can center it, left, right. You can change, the background, so the text color itself, I should say, the background color. If you don't like that yellow, you can change it to any color you want, and the highlighted words color. So you could, basically, I'm just trying to show you have complete control over how you're making this. Now, you do want to apply that to all once you have that set up, and now it'll apply to every single scene in the video and not just this scene. Okay? You all have some options here. You can record a voiceover just for this scene. You can preview just this scene, delete this scene. You can trim this scene. They have settings here that you can do just for the scene or apply to all as well. So again, it's got a ton of features. I'm not going to go through all of them for sake of time, but as you can tell, it can do a lot. Okay, let's jump over here. You can also upload your own images and videos if you want. And then on audio, you can choose your background music, you can apply it, you can preview it so you hear what it sounds like. Again, they have over 15,000 tracks available. So tons, you can sort it by mood, purpose, genre, duration, so tons of flexibility. Voiceover, they have some really good built-in AI voiceovers. I think they have 42 of them right now. You can sort by male, female, by region. You can preview it, so if you want to hear what it sounds like.
Victory. It has been shown that
you can apply it. Let's go ahead and apply that. Okay, so now we're using this voiceover for the video, and it's going to apply that. You can choose your audio settings. The background music we probably make a little lower since we do have a voiceover. It does automatically lower that as well. And you can upload your own voiceover. So if you want to record it on Audacity, or if you want to pay someone maybe to do a voiceover for you, you can upload it and use that as the voiceover. The text, again, you can just change how things look. The style, again, you can have, this is the style that we're using. You can change these if you want. You can create your own. Branding, so if you want to have a logo, you can have a logo and choose where you want it to be positioned on the intro, the outro, if you want it on the scenes, so it shows up on every, so if you want to customize the video with your logo or a client logo, you can do that. And then you can change, again, the ratio. So, we did set this up front, but if you decide you want to change it, or maybe you make it this way, you can come back and you can say, now I want to make it vertical for Facebook. You can come back and do that, and then you can output in 720 or 1080p. You can preview the video so you can see what it looks like before you generate it. And then when you're ready, you just click Generate Video, and it's going to spit out a video for you. And so that is how you use AI software to make basically an automated YouTube channel where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to show your voice. When you upload this to YouTube, then in the description box below the video, you would link to that Yoga Burn product that we found over on ClickBank. Okay, and you could, at the end, let's go to story. We can go to the very last scene, okay? And then you can add a scene of text only, and in that scene, you could put see link in description for awesome, Yoga Burn course, or something like that, right? And so you can do that as a call to action. You can make, have a nice little background, or, again, you can go and add this to however you want. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please, like the video. I appreciate you watching. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can get more information as it comes out. Thanks so much.